So we're going to be doing some LS flops, and this is two 5.3s, supposedly 5.3s. They are complete. We got a couple 6.0s too, so it should be an interesting little video for you guys, update video. So Chris is tightening down the engine stand we got from Harbor Freight. Pretty good little engine stand so far. I got an unboxing video of this engine stand in the description below. You can check it out. We got this engine stand here. It's been welded, but it was sagging a little bit with a 454 on it. And I think it was because we installed the arms on it on the front instead in the back. Well, too late now because it's welded.
It's gonna turn over right here, really. Yeah, if it flips, I'm letting it go.
If it flips, it's on camera, guys.
Stand on that, Greg.
I'm standing on it.
I'll pull your truck up there and try to get that to it.
What needs your fat ass stand on it?
Go bone your ass to do it.
Cherry picker's been through hell, ain't it?
Go here, Lon.
You know, the bad thing about it is if he uses this down too fast and it cracks the oil pan, you know, we have to go with another oil pan anyway, so.
Good. A little more. Black getting the port pan. Yep. Smoke this on there. Don't turn it.
You know how to bolt that on?
We'll figure it out. Right down, James.
You ain't gonna use a washer?
Nope.
You brave.
I like living on the hedge. We buy washers.
Huh?
You have to spend money to get washers.
They have washers in the garage.
Maybe.
They are.
I like having all them dreads going in. Have that washer.
Them grade A bolts?
Yep.
Okay.
Turn that $1, almost $2 a piece.
So we went ahead and got one of the LS engines already mounted on this engine stand. We're getting the second one unloaded as we speak. Which is another 5.3. We hope he is, but we kind of got too long of bolts, and
oh my god,
we're using lug nuts.
He had to put that on, didn't he?
that's Chris for you. Everything's too long.
I got some less long
too.
So we got the two LS's up on stands, then we got a 6.0 to go over here. Then I probably get another engine stand for another 6.0 we got and put it up there too. And we're going to have plenty of LS flopping content coming up. Actually, quite a bit, ain't we?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and move the other one, which is in my garage, out to here, underneath the overhang, so we can just build them right here.
Word for it, dude.
Dang, you lost me down.
So this is the 6.0, 6.0. This is the one that I probably will be LS swapping the C30 with.
Back 2, 6.0.
Back 2, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. And we got another 6.0 down there and a 408. We got to clean all these engines up, strip them down, paint them, make them all nice before we put them inside the cars. But, huh?
The front one's locked up.
Oh, is it?
Have a rod knocking, I reckon.
Oh.
That's the reason it's in the press.
Look, mine's about done.
About done. Yeah, you got started.
Oh.
Yours burnt.
That 6.0's in good shape. It was a little toasty, but I think this will be a good 6.0 to flop too. It got a little hot. Oh.
what you put in your tow truck, ain't you?
I don't know. I put that one or the other one in. I gotta get an engine stand for this one though. We could build a 408.
That's what that piston kind of.
Yeah, this 400. Yeah. 350 turbo.
Build Super Nintendo.
We could build a Super Nintendo too. I need to clean this spot up here. Do need to clean the cylinders out. I got a lot of dirt in them. They've been greased, but need to just turn the engine over a couple times. Clean the cylinders out, take a blow nozzle, blow them all out, clean everything up, turn the engine over a couple times, put all new gaskets on it, put us a set of 799 heads on it, probably a floppy stage 2 cam, and this is going to be good going. I think all three of these LSs we got on this stand is basically going to be built the same way, minus these two's going to keep the 706 heads. I'm pretty sure that's what's on these 706s, both engines got. Yep, 706, but they are both going to get cam upgrades. Now we should have a video on shortening the line harness down, oil pan remove, or there'd be all kinds of LS content coming up. Anyway, it's cold outside, guys. I'm Tats, and I make videos, so be sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, leave a comment, and I'm going inside for today because putting these engines on the porch was a battle, unloading them and everything. If you've seen the video, if you've done stuff like this before, let me know in the comment section. I love to hear your stories. And yeah, see you next time.